Hey everyone, what's up? Chaud VT here, and instead of hand cam, it's a full cam.
Yeah.
And here's my buddy, TCG House of Hits. Here's Mike.
Yep. Good to meet you guys. And Sophia Bodia in the back.
Yeah, my niece is right over there, so they're going to watch me open 2 Chaos Rising packs. I know this is different for a Chaud unboxing video, but oh well. It'll
still be fun.
It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see, the Mega Dragalge. Got these at Target for MSRP. Shockingly.
I know. That's a score whenever you can get it.
Whenever I can get it. Big score. Alright, let's see what pack is actually in this one.
Hey, Dad.
What, babe?
This was the card that we had in TCG's lab.
Yeah.
A Mega Dragalge pack was in the box. That's rare. Okay, let's see what we get out of the first one. I'm saving the Greninja for last. Alright.
Code cards over here.
Code cards for my niece. Let's see. Petrat. Trubbish. Pumpkaboo.
Come on,
Seed.
Chad. You got this, dude.
Alright. Tauros. Nice. Fennekin foil.
Ooh. Slagoo.
Illustrated Slagoo. Nice. I actually need this one.
Good job, bud.
And a Water Energy. Okay, I'll take that. I will happily take that.
Very nice.
Already a hit. First pack already hit. That's a good sign.
That's awesome, buddy.
That's a really good sign. All right, final pack. Second pack. Because I only bought 2 because there's a limit 2 packs per person. So, let's see what I get. Dragalge was in the Greninja. Maybe that's a sign.
Maybe that's a sign.
Come on, Dragalge. I'd love a full art even.
Yeah.
That would be awesome. I would love a full art Dragalge. Oh my goodness. So you get a focus Fennekin. Aww. Pumpkaboo. Chronoline. Zubat. Nice. Sudowoodo. Sudowoodo.
Oh, here's the exact one that
Foil?
we had. The exact one.
Yeah.
Ooh, Xerneas.
Nice.
Nice, nice. That's actually, I think, my 3rd one. I'm saving that for a psychic deck.
Yeah, he's not bad. What is he? Geostorm?
Yeah,
Does
Geostorm.
30 damage for each psychic energy attached to all of your Pokemon. Oh, okay.
Perfect for Mega Gardevoir.
Heck yeah.
Alright. Thank you all so much for watching.
Yeah, man. Happy to be here. We always have fun, man. We always have fun over here in the Brocade.
Yep, in the Brocade, and this is my bro. And we're going to be playing some Zelda here after we're done with the video. So, take care, guys.
Later on.
Bye-bye.